Understanding spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets are digital tools designed to organize, calculate, and analyze data using tables. Popular examples include Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. They're user-friendly, great for small datasets, and allow for quick data entry, formulas, and simple reporting. Spreadsheets are best for personal tasks, budgeting, lists, and data analysis that doesn't require complex relationships or automation.
What are databases?
Databases are structured systems designed to store, manage, and retrieve large amounts of data efficiently. Common types include SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL. Databases handle complex data relationships, allow multiple users to access and update data simultaneously, and provide advanced security. They are suited to organizations or projects where data grows large or needs to be highly organized.
Key differences between spreadsheets and databases.
Spreadsheets and databases both manage data, but spreadsheets are ideal for smaller, simpler tasks with less need for structure or collaboration. Databases excel at managing bigger volumes of data, enforcing rules, and supporting multiple users. Databases keep data more consistent, while spreadsheets make changes easier but may lead to more errors with large or complex information.
When to use a spreadsheet.
Choose a spreadsheet when your data fits on a single sheet or can be managed with simple calculations and charts. Spreadsheets work well for personal tasks, project tracking, small business budgets, and lightweight reporting, especially when only one or two people need access at a time. They're perfect for visualizing and manipulating smaller datasets quickly.
When to use a database.
Use a database when you have large datasets, need to establish complex relationships, or require robust search, security, and multi-user access. Databases handle business applications, inventory systems, website backends, and customer records. They are essential if your data is expected to grow or if accuracy, automation, and collaboration are priorities.
Choosing the right tool.
In summary, both spreadsheets and databases are valuable, but the right choice depends on your needs. Start with a spreadsheet for simple, smaller projects. As your data grows in size or complexity, or if you have multiple users, consider moving to a database for better reliability and scale. Choose the tool that matches your workflow and data challenges.